Alright, let's talk about something that's probably been bugging you for a while, but you never really knew how to fix: your skyrocketing TV bill. Have you ever looked at that monthly statement and thought, wait, why am I paying more when I'm watching less? It's like your TV provider has this magical ability to make your bill creep up without you even noticing. But here's the kicker: it's not always their fault. Context setup. Personally, I think the real culprit here is something most of us overlook: those forgotten channels and bouquets we added once upon a time and never bothered to remove. Commentary: it's like that gym membership you signed up for in January and forgot about by February, except this one keeps charging you every month. And here's where it gets interesting. TRAI, India's telecom regulator, actually built an app to solve this exact problem. It's called the Channel Selector app, and it's like a scalpel for your TV bill. Main breakdown. What makes this really interesting is how the system is designed. Commentary: under TRAI's tariff framework, you pay for bouquets and individual channels, but your operator has zero incentive to trim your list. Why would they? They are making money off those unused channels. So, over time, your bill just balloons: a sports bouquet for that one season, regional channels you never watch, or that promotional add-on you forgot about. It's like your TV subscription is on autopilot, and you're the one paying for the ride. Analysis. From my perspective, the Channel Selector app is a game changer because it puts the power back in your hands. Commentary: it's not just about saving money, though let's be honest, that's a big part of it. It's about transparency. When you log in and see the full list of channels you're paying for, it's eye-opening. I've seen people realize they are paying for 500 channels when they only watch 20. That's just wild. Reflection. Here's how it works: you download the app, log in with your provider details, and boom, you're staring at your entire subscription breakdown. Explanation: one thing that immediately stands out is how user-friendly it is. Commentary: it's not some clunky government tool, it's actually intuitive. You can uncheck channels you don't want, and it even suggests optimized bouquets to save you money. It's like having a personal TV bill consultant in your pocket. Insight. But here's the part one find fascinating: most people don't even know this app exists. Commentary: it's like having a secret weapon that no one's using. And what this really suggests is that we are so used to being passive consumers that we don't even question why our bills keep going up. We just accept it. But if you take a step back and think about it, this app is a wake-up call. It's saying, hey, you're in control here. Speculation. Now, let's talk about the broader implications. Deeper insight: this isn't just about TV bills. It's about how we interact with subscription services in general. From my perspective, this app is a microcosm of a bigger trend: the need for transparency and control in an era of endless subscriptions. Commentary: whether it's streaming services, gym memberships, or software tools, we are all paying for stuff we don't use. This app is a reminder that we don't have to. Reflection. So, here's my closing thought. Why do we let these subscriptions pile up in the first place? Is it laziness? Or is it that we've been conditioned to think it's normal? Personally, I think it's a bit of both. But tools like the Channel Selector app are a step in the right direction. They are saying, hey, wake up. You don't have to pay for what you don't use. And that's a message I think we all need to hear. Reflective takeaway.